Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a car door panel. Before you begin, gather your essential tools, including a trim removal tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. Also, make sure the window is completely rolled down. This provides better access and prevents accidental damage during the process. Proper preparation makes the entire removal much smoother and safer for you and your vehicle. Now, let's locate the hidden fasteners. First, carefully pry off the small cover behind the interior door handle to reveal one screw. Next, gently lift the power window switch panel using your trim tool. This will expose two additional screws that need to be removed. Finally, look along the bottom edge of the door panel for two more screws. Removing these 5 fasteners is crucial for the next steps. With all the screws removed, it's time to detach the panel. Start by using your plastic trim removal tool to gently pry around the entire perimeter of the door panel. You will hear clips releasing as you work your way around. Once the clips are free, carefully pull the panel away from the door. Remember to disconnect all electrical connectors and the door handle cable before fully separating the panel. Finally, lift the door panel straight upwards to completely remove it from the door frame. Take a moment to inspect all the door panel clips. If any are broken, replace them to ensure a snug fit upon reassembly. Reinstallation is simply the reverse of these steps. Make sure all electrical connectors are securely reattached and the door handle cable is properly connected before snapping the panel back into place. You've successfully removed your door panel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.